Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card today using elements from the September Paper Pumpkin Kit, Sweeter With You. I have got elements from the kit. It's mostly all kit elements here. I've got a Pretty in Pink card base and I'm using my Pretty in Pink ink, but everything else is actually from the kit. So we are going to just ink up our stamp with Pretty in Pink. And we're going to stamp our Hello Friend down on this die cut. There we go. Okay, and we're going to close up the ink pad because, you know, I'll put my finger in it. So we're just going to do that right off to the side. Okay, and now we just need to build the card. I've got one of the card bases I've cut down to 5 1/4 by 4. So I'll just put that out there. It's 5 1/4 by 4. And we're just going to flat mount it onto our card base. I'll get some adhesive going on here. And so we're just going to add that to the front. And then we're going to build the front up using another piece of card base and a piece of the vellum from the kit. So this piece I'm going to flat mount as well. I was debating about dimensionalizing it, but we are going to flat mount it, and it's going to sit right in the middle like this, just like that. Okay, the vellum is also going to go in the middle, and I'm going to put a piece of adhesive on it down at the bottom because it's going to pop in the middle like that, and the Hello Friend is going to be dimensionalized over that. I think I'm actually going to use my blending brush, use the reach and the ink pad, and I'm just going to add a little bit of ink around the edge of this. It just looks very, very plain. So I'm just going to add a little bit of ink just to give it, just take it up just a little bit. And I'm going to be using the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems on this card as well. Okay. So again, let's close this up, move it out of the way. Okay, so this will be dimensionalized right where I've got that adhesive. So we're going to do this, and we're going to pop some dimensionals on there. And this is going to sit like this. We're going to add the strawberries in, and I just want to see how it looks like this, and I think that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to just put some adhesive on this one, and we're going to pop it up like this, and then we'll put adhesive on this one, and it will pop around like that. Okay, and then we'll mount this one up. And if you've got like white ribbon or something you wanted to use, you could actually put it around this one before you mount it. I opted not to do that, but it's certainly an option for you. Take one of the small strawberries, and we're going to pop it down like that. So there we go. So that's the basic card. And then we're going to take our Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems. And I think we're going to use the Pretty in Pink ones, but we're going to use the large ones. And I'm just going to put one like that so that it actually adheres the vellum down on that side. And then I'm going to pop another one like that. We're going to pop one down here like this. And then I'm going to take some small ones, and I'm just going to pop the small ones in places as well. I might just pop that one there like that, and have one up here like this. So that is another alternate card using elements from the Sweeter With You Paper Pumpkin Kit for July 2025. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.